Hey everyone, so today I'm going to talk to you about how to use an external microphone for your GoPro camera. So if you're an avid GoPro user like myself, you'll know that the one downfall when using it is wind noise. And I like to drive my car on racetracks and go on the mountains and do some nice driving videos. And the one thing I can't stand is how, no matter how cool the video looks, it's just wind noise. And I'd much rather hear my exhaust system like the whole way, because it could actually show you how I'm driving and give the video much more depth. So what you'll need is the GoPro Hero 3 or whatever, whichever GoPro you have, skeleton housing. And you can pick these up from Amazon for like $30, whereas GoPro's website has them for like 50 or 60. And you also need the GoPro's adapter, which has a micro USB to 3.5mm headphone jack. So the skeleton housing, it's obviously got big holes in it. And that square hole on the side corresponds to the little door that has the plug-in, which you'll plug that into. And what you'll also need is an actual microphone. I picked this up from Amazon for like $7, and this is what it is. And along with that, I got an extension cable, and this was also about $7. And this one is 6.5 feet long, and the cable for the microphone is like 4 feet long. Here's what the extension cable is. Alright, and you can always get a longer cable or whatever. But so I'll do a test now. I'll have the GoPro mounted on the side of my car and do a quick little test. I'll get up to speed, accelerating enough to where you should be able to hear the exhaust, and you'll definitely hear all the wind noise. And then I'll do the same exact test all hooked into the external microphone, and I'm going to have the microphone on the rear of the car right above my exhaust. So that video should hear pretty much just exhaust and should be a really good sounding video. Alright, so I have the GoPro on the side of my car, as you can see, without the external microphone. And I'm just going to do a quick test. I'm going to get it on the road and accelerate at a good speed, and you'll be able to hear how it sounds. Alright, so I now have the external microphone plugged in. So I got it coming out the side there, and then looping under the suction cup, and then I just use some tape to kind of hold it in place. And then following the whole side of the car, just have a piece of tape holding it there, and then actually put it in the trunk. And then coming out of the trunk, there's actually the connection from the microphone to the extension inside the trunk. And then this wire's coming out of the trunk, and then I just kind of taped it like that, right above my exhaust. Alright, so now we'll do the test to see how this sounds like that. So that was how the GoPro sounds with the external microphone on my car, and it definitely makes a huge difference. You can obviously tell that it sounds pretty sweet, and I'm sure once I get out on the track or in the mountains again, it's going to sound even better having the external microphone. So definitely, go to Amazon.com and check out a whole bunch of stuff they have. Pick up whatever microphone and cable you want, and get the skeleton house or the frame mount. and please be sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel.